Nature is treating us to one heck of a light show tonight. It is Monday night. We had some storms earlier today. They moved through, kind of waiting for the second wave to come through. Nothing as of yet. This lightning is lacking the sound of thunder, so it's rather serene and just amazing. The lightning appears to be coming out of the southern sky. Just amazing. This show has been going on for a good 30 minutes and has not subsided. It's kind of kicking back on my backyard deck after a long, grueling radio program today and checking out the light show. Incredible images